Tessa, who's that?
Stacy.
Stacy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Is that Aunt Stacy?
Huh?
Say, I love you, Aunt Stacy.
Papa.
Say, I love you, Aunt Stacy.
Who's that? It's your mommy. Daddy, hello there.
That's Cooper.
Hi.
Hi.
Who's Stacy?
Aunt Stacy.
Hi.
Hi.
And mommy.
Where's Mommy?
Stacy.
Who's that? Who's that?
Ma?
Pa? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who is that?
Stacy.
Yep, that's Aunt Stacy. Give her a kiss.
Ma.
Aww.